Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the disk cleanup utility is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing to do is to run an SFC scan. For that we need to go to command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt we need to enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now once that scan is running, we will also delete the temporary files. For that I will press the Windows and the R key and I will enter the command percentage temp percentage and press enter. Now we will select this, press Ctrl A and then press delete. Now you can uh, do this for all current items, press continue and then do this for all current items. Click on skip because these files cannot be deleted because they are being in use by the current processes of the system. So once you do this, you should restart your computer by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button and clicking on the restart button once your SFC scan is done and you remove the temporary files, and the disk cleanup utility should start working. If it's not, then you need to do a cloud reset of your computer. So for that you need to right click on the start button, go to settings, go to system, then scroll down for recovery, click on recovery and then click on reset this PC and click on keep my files, or you can remove everything to make a fresh new start on the Windows software operating system. So if you're removing everything, then I suggest that you back up your personal data on a external hard drive. Click on remove everything, click on cloud download, then click on next and Windows will restart, shut down and restart in a brand new configuration and disk cleanup should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.